Greetings, Texas Lexus friends. So, for about, this is really sad. For about 3 years, ever since we bought my wife's car, she has a '05 RX330, it has had the weakest air conditioning in the world. And the car was so well taken care of that I just assumed this was its one flaw. So everywhere we've driven for 3 years through the hot Utah deserts, it has been hotter than hell. And today I thought, you know what? Maybe I'll just check her cabin air filter. Wow. I mean, besides just the straight up debris of leaves and seed pods and who knows what else, you can literally see the dirt has clogged this thing as much as humanly possible. I'm gonna do a quick test to show you how weak this air conditioner is. So you can see the before and after and how much a difference a clogged interior air filter really makes. Let's go up to max. Got a trusty little used wet wipe, right? It's barely blowing. Okay, with the cabin air filter replaced, we are now going to show you how strong this blower goes. Okay, y'all, on your left, you see what a multi-year, never changed cabin air filter looks like. And on your right is a brand new one. Let's see how much junk we get to fall out of the old one. Even then, it's not even the tip of the iceberg. I mean, look at the debris. And y'all, this was white at one point, just like the new one. All right, dudes, that's a wrap. Seriously, if you're having major air conditioning problems, it feels like your blower fan isn't working very well, it could just be a dirty cabin air filter. 20 bucks just saved me about 20 grand because I was definitely looking to buy a new car. This is super, super exciting. Of course, it's about to be fall, so that part's kind of a bummer, but I'm just really excited to keep this car for a little longer, all right? Thanks for watching. Smash that like and subscribe, please, and I'll see y'all soon.